it's me, Miss Kay. Happy New Year! Today, we're gonna make this really fun popper for your New Year's Eve celebration. Today, we're gonna need, I don't think we're gonna need our marker. You can put that aside, but I think we're gonna need a little glue. We might need our scissors. I'm not sure about that. We're gonna need our crayons that I didn't get out. Oh, there they are. We're gonna need our crayons. And inside your bag, you're gonna find a bag that says popper, and you're gonna find a toilet paper tubey that's covered in paper. Let's open up our envelope and see what's in here today. Inside you're gonna find a balloon and a whole bunch of these tiny little fuzzy balls. I have one more in here. Here it is. Alrighty, so the first thing we wanna do is decorate our popper. Any way you like is fine. Use as many colors as you like. Whatever you like to do will be perfect. I think I'm gonna make a big smiley face on mine. You can make whatever you want. This one has zigzaggies all over it. Big blue eyes. A nice red smile. And I'm gonna give him some, get in there. Maybe we'll give him some black, purple. Let's give him some purple hair. One more last little thing. We'll give him some little buttons right down his middle. So my guy looks like this. I can't wait to see what your little poppers look like. Then we're gonna take our balloon and we're gonna just give it a little snip. I'm gonna snip a little bit more off. This balloon had a raggedy edge, so I'm going to snip just a little bit more off of mine there. We're going to pull it out. You might need a grown-up for this part. We're going to pull it out, and we're going to make a knot at the end of it. Where you would blow, you would normally blow up the balloon like this, and we're going to make a knot. Maybe and then you're going to take this part and put it at the bottom. Now, I will tell you that when I did my first one, I put just a little bit of glue on here to help it stay. I don't know if it's necessary, but I'm going to do it anyway. And I'll take this balloon and just pull it down over the bottom, tuck it all in there like that. Straighten that up so then he's going to look like this. And then we're going to put all our little balls in there. And then when you count down, you'll say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! I hope to see you soon in this new year at the library. See you soon.